Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts. Today I'm sharing with you a whole series of 4.3-inch IPS TFT LCD displays. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
As I mentioned in the intro, we have 3 displays in this series, one with a capacitive touchscreen, one with a resistive touchscreen, and one without either. Let's talk about the similarities between these displays, and then we'll get into the differences, which aren't many. First off, all of them use the Citronics ST7282 controller. We have the datasheet for that controller available for download on our site. Second, they're all IPS, which means they have 160-degree viewing angles, and they're all sunlight readable, although their nit outputs vary a bit. We'll get into that in a second. Third, they're all the same width, height, resolution, 480 by 272, and have a 4.3-inch diagonal viewing area, and they all have the same electrical characteristics. Now let's get into their differences. Obviously they have different types of touchscreens, and if you didn't know, resistive touchscreens are better for environments where the users are wearing gloves or there is a risk of contamination on the screens, like liquid or debris that may cause errant touches. Capacitive touchscreens are great when your users aren't wearing gloves, or your application uses multi-touch features, only available on capacitive touchscreens. Having no touchscreen means that whatever you're showing doesn't require user input, or you need an alternative way to interact with the display, like a keyboard or mouse. Each display brightness output, or nits, varies because, as you can imagine, when you add touchscreen layers it affects the overall brightness. That being said, the non-touchscreen version outputs 1000 nits, the capacitive touch outputs 850 nits, and the dimmest of them all, the resistive touchscreen, at 740 nits. Another difference is the capacitive touchscreen version has the fancy black bezel, while the resistive touchscreen and non-touchscreen version have the standard metal bezel. All of our display modules come with outstanding technical support, complete datasheets, 3D models, demo code, and everything you need to start working with these TFT displays. I put a link in the description below to these modules' product pages. If you have any questions about these modules or any of our products, please ask in the comments section below or email us directly at support@crystalfonts.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
We have a display for that.